Find all numbers that must be excluded from the domain of this rational expression, x squared plus 11. Now in this case, since I have this rational expression with variables in my denominator, right, of course, the only variables, the only numbers, values that are excluded from the domain here occur when this denominator equals 0. We don't want that. If my denominator equals 0, my function is undefined, my expression is undefined, and those x values are not in my domain. Any x values that make this expression undefined are not in my domain. So let's check, let's see what values in fact make my denominator 0. See if we can factor this. Multiply to 30 and add to 11. I believe that's 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 plus 5 is 11. So the zero product property says if x plus 6 times x plus 5 equals 0, either x plus 6 equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0. Solve each of these. X equals negative 6. X equals negative 5. These are the two values that make my denominator 0. So these are the two values that are not in my domain. I can show you on a number line. From negative infinity to positive infinity, x can be anything except those two values. X can be any value except those two. X can be anything else because these two values give me an undefined expression. So the way I'll write that, the domain is all x values such that x does not equal negative 6, x does not equal negative 5. That's my domain. All x values except negative 6 and negative 5.